Microgreens are young plants that are harvested when they are very small, usually only 1 to 2 inches tall. They are packed with nutrients and flavor and are often used in salads or as garnishes. In this video, we will explore the different types of microgreens available, how to choose the best ones to grow, and some tips on how to grow them successfully. Before we dive into the types of microgreens available, let's take a look at the benefits of growing your own. First, microgreens are easy and quick to grow, and can be grown indoors year-round. Second, they are full of nutrients, and studies have shown that they can contain up to 40 times more vitamins and minerals than their mature counterparts. Finally, growing your own microgreens is cost-effective and can save you money in the long run. There are many types of microgreens available, ranging in flavor, texture, and color. Some popular options include arugula, broccoli, radish, sunflower, and wheatgrass. When choosing which microgreens to grow, consider the flavor profile you are looking for, as well as how you plan to use them. Now that you have chosen your microgreens, it's time to start growing them. First, select the right soil and containers. Shallow trays with drainage holes work well. Second, keep the soil moist but not too wet, and provide plenty of light. A south-facing window or grow lights can work well. Finally, harvest your microgreens when they are 1 to 2 inches tall, using a sharp pair of scissors or knife. In this video, we have explored the different types of microgreens available, how to choose the best ones to grow, and some tips on how to grow them successfully. With their delicious flavor and high nutrient content, microgreens are a great addition to any diet, and growing them yourself can be a fun and rewarding experience.